Mastering, Meet the Standards, a guide to English excellence. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as common as it is crucial in both academic and professional settings: meet the standards. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also empowers you to navigate various scenarios with confidence. Let's embark on this linguistic journey together and uncover the layers of meaning behind these words. Meet the standards is a phrase that, at its core, combines two key concepts: meet and standards. To meet, in this context, means to reach, fulfill, or satisfy a certain level or criteria. Standards refer to the established norms, criteria, or requirements that are considered acceptable or desirable. When put together, to meet the standards means to achieve or uphold the level of quality or performance that has been set as acceptable or required by an authority, community, or industry. Academic setting. In an educational environment, meet the standards often relates to achieving the required scores on tests or fulfilling the criteria for assignments and projects. For instance, a student needs to meet the standards of academic excellence to graduate with honors. Professional environment. In the workplace, this phrase can refer to the quality of work, products, or services. An employee may be evaluated on their ability to meet the standards set by their company, which could include punctuality, work quality, and adherence to company policies. Personal development. On a personal level, meeting the standards can relate to goals or benchmarks one sets for themselves, such as fitness goals, learning milestones, or personal projects. It reflects a commitment to achieving a certain level of excellence or improvement in one's personal life. Understanding and striving to meet the standards is crucial for success and growth in any area of life. It signifies a commitment to excellence, continuous improvement, and respect for established benchmarks of quality and performance. For language learners, mastering the use of this phrase not only enhances your English communication but also reflects an understanding of important cultural and professional values. Thank you for joining me in exploring the significance of meet the standards. I hope this video has illuminated the importance of this phrase in various aspects of life and language. Remember, language learning is a journey of continuous improvement, much like striving to meet the standards in other areas of our lives. Keep challenging yourself, keep learning, and most importantly, keep meeting those standards. See you in the next video.